We'll pick up where we left off last time, at California Avenue. The road is clear, so let's begin. "61st Street is a graveled road, so we really are getting into the hinterland. And in case you haven't noticed, the trail is really rough. The first of several bridges over dry creeks that drain into Lynn Creek just to the west of the trail. We'll stop here and take a look into it. It's kind of hard to see through all the tree branches and leaves to the bottom of the creek. Notice that the trail is higher than the surrounding area. The berms are gone. And then they're back. The second bridge over a creek. We won't stop to look in this one. "69th Street ends at this juncture. It goes on to the east, which is left from our point of view. Sorry about the rough ride, but just think what the camera had to suffer. Another bridge over a dry creek. Barryton Road is paved. To the left is the town of Barryton, some 3 miles southeast of today's starting point. Our fourth bridge over a dry creek. At least they offer a moment of smoothness on this otherwise very rough trail. Here is the fifth bridge. They do at least have decent fences to keep passers-by from falling in. "77th Street is also paved. Southeast Croco Road comes up in short order, since the trail passes just to the southwest of the intersection of 77th and Croco. And to be sure, there are fields on both sides of the trail. Here we are at the 6th bridge, and just to have a rest break, we'll stop to take a look into this one, too. Here we can see to the bottom on the west side, and on the east side, too. The Jeep you see here at Pauline Road was still here on my return trip. Never did see the owner or what he or she was doing. Here we are, riding by someone's homestead. Very nice of them to allow the trail to cut through their front yard. But golly, what a rough trail it was with tire ruts and cow hoof impressions to bounce through. The lawn looks nicely mowed, and the soybean field is about ready for harvest. As you look at the soybean field to the right, also notice the large ruts in the trail. They sure ain't bicycle tire ruts. The 7th bridge over a dry creek that feeds into Lynn Creek, somewhere to the west of the trail. Now crossing Tecumseh Road. Doesn't look like much, more a trail than a road, but it provides access to fields, which is important. Well, at the time I planned this trip, I thought that 89th Street marked the end of this trail. That's what Google Maps showed. But as I actually got to the street, I could see the yellow post and trail continuing southward, beckoning me on into the unknown. So I did a little research later. And that research revealed that this trail is built on the bed of a former rail line. So that's how they got the land. The unknown will have to wait a while.